Find the value of 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 6 plus log 2. To solve without using logarithmic table, you should solve this. To solve this, there are two formulas given here. Okay, so numerator part you should solve second formula, that is log 2 raised to 3. You can see here, plus log 3 raised to 2. Denominator part also you should solve by second formula, log 6 raised to 2 plus log 2. Okay, now what is 2 cube? It is 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So let me write here log 8 plus log 3 square is 9. 6 square 36 plus there is nothing here, so write a log 2. Now again to solve this you have to use formula number 1. Log m plus log n is nothing but log mn. So I am going to write log 8 into 9. Here log 36 into 2. Okay. Now 8 9s are 72. And 36 into 2 is 72. Numerator and denominator get cancelled. So your final answer is 1. I hope you understood very well.